Hey, today I will show you how to use the brush tool in Photoshop. So this tool can help you in a lot of things. As an example, I just took that screenshot because I want to cut this potion into a PNG. But as you can see, sometimes the game screwed my intention, and I've got this, I don't know how to call them, this noise, these bulbs on my picture, and it shouldn't be there because that's the background. Anyway, we can repair those problems with the brush tool in Photoshop. First, how can we navigate into Photoshop? If you hold the Alt on your keyboard and use your mouse wheel, you can zoom in into picture, and the same thing, using Alt, we can zoom out of our picture. If you hold your space bar, you can navigate left and right, up and down, and in this way you can navigate freely in Photoshop. These are the basics. To use the brush tool in Photoshop, you have either to press B to hold B, or either you can find the brush tool right here in this menu right here. To select the color with which you want to paint, you have to hold B and Alt at the same time until this cursor will change, and now we can select which color we want to paint. Let's take the white or the blue, and don't forget with Ctrl and Z you can undo changes. To change the size of your brush, mine is on 1 pixel, you can change it from up here, but that's a little too big. Let's go with 10 pixels for now, and let's try to repair those dots. Let's take, with holding Alt, we can take this color and let's press on B. Now we can repair this one. I've seen some more. Let's use a smaller one. Let's go to with 1 pixel, why not? Let's take this white, and again holding B we can paint this rectangle very nice. Alright, now it's invisible. Let's find another one. Is right here. This one is bigger. Again, let's change the brush, I think to 10 pixels. Yes, that's okay. Let's take this white and let's repair it very nice with B. And where was, okay, this, here is another one. Let's take this color, hold B and hold Alt to select the color, and let's paint this one. Alright, and this is the last one. Alright, and I think I repaired the entire image. I don't see anything bad about it. Now I can do my own thing and cut it as I told you I plan to do. So this was the tutorial how to use the brush tool in Photoshop. I really hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day from wherever you're watching right now.